John about this? Consult lang, not necessarily ask permission.
No. No, I did not, but I did inform. Not because it was a career move for me, but I did inform because I brought my daughter with me. Because Boss Vic mentioned that he would love to meet Anechka, he'd heard of her. And then I said, okay, that's a good opportunity for her to join me. Tsaka para pakilala ko sila. Pero that's why I informed him. But I did not consult, I didn't ask permission. We're no longer in that kind of setup.
But are you ready na, being more visible now? People might continue to ask after him and,
Well, I think that's normal. It comes with the territory because he's my former husband. But former husband po. So he's my former husband, and we share a life many years. We married for 14 years. We've been together for 18. So we have a daughter. So we are co-parenting, and there is no bad blood between us as when it comes to the terms of what he's doing out of his life or I'm doing out of my life. There is a very there's boundaries that were placed, and I think as long as you respect that, and I definitely respect that because I'm the one that put those boundaries, so I don't think we have a problem. And whatever we have to deal with in terms of what was our formal arrangement, we'll deal at the due course of the time.
Thank you.
Kailan ang contract signing ni Anechka?
Anechka? 13 pala siya eh. In that case, that's why I need to inform the dad and ask permission because she's a minor. So, pausapan natin yun. Kasi meron na naman si Viva yung, diba, pwede pang...
Recording muna. Recording muna.
So, sabi ni Boss Vic, tatawagan siya ni John. Para sa tayo magkausap.
Pero aware si daughter na sa setup niyo ni John?
Oh yeah, of course, because we don't share a home already, more than a year. So, I'm acting as a solo parent. And basically what happened is she knows that we're no longer together because even before I make that move, I informed my daughter that that's what is happening. And of course, 13 years na yung bata, makikita niya yung mga bagay-bagay every day. So she had an idea what was going to happen eventually, and she's okay. She's in good terms with that because for her, as she voiced out many times, the importante is na masaya ako. She wants her father to be happy, but most important, she wants the mother to be happy. So, she's good with it.
You're looking good. Ibang-iba ka na from mga nakaraan.
Ay, salamat! Oh. I'm in peace. Halata ba?
If ever may chance na, syempre, active ka ulit sa showbiz, may halimbawa may magparamdam sa'yo, may manligaw sa'yo, are you open with that?
As soon as I'm officially no longer married, why not coconut? I believe I'm still in good age to develop, how do you call it, romantic relationships. And yes, I'm very open to that on the day that I'm no longer somebody's wife.
Legally, you're still...
Legally, in the Philippines, we still married.
But you're... sorry for asking.
Yes.
You started processing the...
I started processing something, sorry. To be discussed in the future. I don't like to... what's not there yet. Yeah. Pero baka next month meron na. Basta, I'm fast.
Hindi ka sa sitcom.
Oo nga. Sa comedy. So, why the Philippines?
Because we married in the Philippines.
I mean, why did you choose to
stay in the Philippines?
Well,
kasi I honestly don't see myself anywhere else. I've embraced the Philippines as my home, even though I'm Brazilian by birth. But to think of it, I've been based in stayed in the Philippines longer than I've stayed in my home country. I've been in the Philippines for 21 years. So, although wala ko dugo Pinoy, wala akong passport, pero permanent resident ako. Hindi tayo sa kasal, before pa. So, okay tayo. Hindi kami nakaroon ng problema in the future. But I mean, I really embrace the Philippines as my home. And I don't really see myself anywhere else. So, kahit ano sitwasyon ng pag-ibig ko, it won't change the fact that this is my home. And I plan to stay here. Until the day maybe, I don't know, if my daughter adventures overseas, then sorry, mommy manager ko, sorry, Tita Stair.
Talaga.
Yeah, so yun, that's the only reason why I would lumipat somewhere else to follow her. Kasi baka nagkaroon ng Taylor Swift, di ba? Kailangan niya nabuhat ng bag. Ako na. Di ba? Yun.
Pero Priscilla, aware naman ang lahat na recently medyo vocal ka sa social media. Paano, hindi ka pa nagalit sa kanya kay John?
Kay John, hindi. Yung galit ko sa kanya dati-dati pa eh. Kasi sa totoo, medyo na vocal o medyo na burst, na-explode sa social media na yon. Pero I don't think it's a secret to anyone that John's always being the way he is. So let's just say that when things exploded, decisions were already made, and that's why it happened. Because I really didn't want anymore to stay in a situation where I was not happy.
Pero are you at peace? Hindi ka ba?
I am very at peace. 2 years ago, at peace na ako eh. It's just that I was not content with the fact that, kasi ako, I'm the type of person, I was brought up in a family where respect is very important. And being isang babaeng, being sa nanay, I really need to teach my daughter right. And I don't want to normalize what is wrong in society, especially in a society, that, men can do as they please, nobody says anything, society accepts, and women just need to be quiet and smile because they're paying for the bills. That's unfair. So, in that scenario, I just wanted to make sure that I don't want to be one of those women that you say it's okay, because it's not. And I think by doing that, somehow I kind of started, I ignited in a lot of people that were being treated unfairly, to also speak their minds and, and to advocate for themselves. So by doing that, I believe that some people will be a little bit more aware, and maybe society start to change things that need to be changed. It's not acceptable to behave in certain way in society, and to treat family as, sorry to say the word, basura. Family is the most important, a pillar of society. And when you banalize that, and when you started to treat the family as just like something that doesn't matter, by not giving the right importance to its members and respect that's deserved, so I think the society collapsed. So I think being a nanay wife, I think we need and we deserve the respect that we work hard for. So I'm happy that it came at a time where I was emotionally ready, financially prepared, but I also aware that it's not everybody's case. But I think at the end of the day, I grew up in a family where my mom walked out from the home just with me and my brother in the arms, and she had not even money for the bus. So when you want to be out of a situation that's not good, no matter what it is, you find yourself out. And it just takes you to realize what you deserve and what you don't deserve, and not up to put up with. So in my case, I'm fortunate to come from a family that actually can back me up, but I didn't want to do that. So I prepared myself as much as I could, and I just walk away. And I did after so many years, which is harder. It would be a lot easier if it was in the beginning. But then again, it doesn't matter, because the important thing is that I need to stand for myself, because if I don't, nobody will. And I need to stand for my daughter, because I don't want that to normalize and she believe that that's okay, because it's not.
But Priscilla, since you're entering showbiz, are you open then to work with John?
Why not? Yung gusto ko yung manggaro na parang sampalin ko siya. Pwede ba? How dare you? Yung gano'n ba? Actually, John and I, a lot of things happen, and I'm in a place right now where there is still a lot of hurt, but I move on from that, because I choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice you do every day. And if it nagkaroon na opportunity that we're gonna work together, as long as not a kissing scene, I'm okay.
Oh.
Ayoko eh.
So may boundaries para if ever you work together.
Oo, ayoko. Bakit? Diba? Babalik ako sa nightmare ko. Ayoko eh. So pwede siguro, kapatid tayo. Diba? Bagay. Best friends. So,
as we said, women sometimes they're identified as the wife of so and so, and
Yes.
you know, we have to admit for the longest time that's how we
Yes.
identified you. Pero ngayon you're showing us that you're such a fun person, a brave girl, an intelligent girl. What else don't we know about you?
Oh my gosh, I'm a comedian. Okay, so let's say that my ex did not only fall in love with my looks.
But
He always told me, alam mo, kung hindi ka wit and funny, siguro hindi tayo mag-last this long. And so I think that what I bring to the table as being a person in general, it's just that I'm very light to be with and I'm very fun. So people don't know that because the stigma of being a beauty queen, you know, parang they always look up to you because enjoy yung crown. But you know, this is just really like a role that you play. You know, you need to smile, you need to be in a certain, you know, you need to pose and be straight and whatever. But it does not necessarily, you know, describes your personality, being a person. So me, in my private moments, when I'm in my family, with my friends, I love laughing and I make joke out of everything, especially of my, yung mga masakit sa puso, yung mga maramdaman ko, yung mga, you know, tragedies.
Very Pinay.
Yeah, very
Always
Pinoy.
laugh,
Yes, very Pinoy. So I think people don't know that yet, and perhaps they also don't know that kaya ko pala magkumanta. Joke, hindi. I suck. No, but yeah, but I just really like, you know, to laugh about everything. Even when I cry, I laugh. Because ayoko na di ba? Kailan ako ng botox. So, you just laugh na lang. Kasi sayang naman.
You're so fun to speak with. Totoo nga yan. But ikaw, may makakasama mo na kami for 20 years.
Ay, ganun. Ano na lang.
I hope you should remember them, no?
Of course.
Si Charmy